Welcome back, everybody. We've already hit Miami. We went to Syracuse yesterday on our Powerhouse Road Trip, and today's stop is all the way out in St. Louis, Missouri. One of my favorite towns, by the way. My friend Ben Clark lives there in Kirkwood. It's beautiful. According to Zillow, St. Louis is one of the hottest real estate markets in the country, with many houses flying off the market in less than a week. Let's go to St. Louis. In fact, it's tied for first for fewest days pending at 6, and the median sale price is just under $275,000. Affordability is at the forefront for buyers in the St. Louis market. Let's bring in Kellie Lasater, a real estate agent for Gateway Realty Group, to help us understand the state of the market in St. Louis. As I said, I love St. Louis. It is a really, really livable city. How's inventory? And is it low? And is that why houses are selling so quickly?
So yes, currently we're running on average about 2 months inventory. So that makes our market definitely a seller's market. That is why houses that are on the market are flying off so quickly, and many of them at or over list price.
What is the average? Well, I guess we listed the median price there. What is the change in median sale price over the past 12, 18 months? How much more would you get today?
You know, it's probably pretty stable because we've been in an extremely hot market here for the last 2 or 3 years. I would say in the last couple of weeks, though, there has been just a bit of a slowdown. And I think that's just the natural cycle of the real estate market, where we slow down just a little bit when it's back to school time.
Yeah, August is kind of a slow month because people either want to be where they are, they don't want to be closing in that, if they have children, for example, they don't want to be closing after the school year starts.
Correct.
Let's look at a listing. We always ask people to say, what does $1 million buy? Show us what roughly $1 million would buy in the St. Louis environs. And it's got a lot of diversity in terms of housing stock. You can live downtown in a loft. You can live out in the country. This one is on a golf course. Tell us about it.
This is. So when you talk about affordability and what you get for the money, I watched your show the other day where you had Miami in, and it was 1,600 square feet for $1 million house. Here you see 4,600 plus square feet, 4-bed, 4.5 bath. This house is spectacular. It's fully updated, hardwood floors, a chef's kitchen.
Oh my,
and
look at that.
It's stunning. And it sits on the second hole of a very prestigious private golf course in St. Charles County, which is a western suburb of the St. Louis metropolitan area.
Okay, but in this suburb, let's say you had to work in downtown St. Louis. How long would it take you to drive from that house downtown?
So that house to downtown actually is probably only about 25 minutes because it sits right off of. So what's really cool about the St. Louis metropolitan area is it's a very, very drivable area. So that house is probably 5 minutes from Highway 40, which is a straight shot to downtown.
I thought you were going to tell me an hour and a half, and I would have believed that. And, you know, like you can find that. It's a beautiful house. What else is the draw to St. Louis? Like, if people are looking for other options, what's the big draw?
So I think, Contessa, honestly, there are, I would say, the top 2 draws of our area. Number one, far and away, is affordability. So we've helped people move here from all across the country. We've had clients from Arizona, Texas, Florida, West Virginia, as far away as Hawaii. And to a person, they are blown away with how much house they can get for the money. I think second, to your point, is the diversity of styles that we offer. And I think you touched on this earlier in the segment. You can get a loft in downtown and you're living in the middle of an urban, upbeat, fun, active area. And then you can come a little bit west and you can get a house on acreage, a private country estate. We have 55 plus communities. We have lake communities. We have golf communities. St. Louis just has so much to offer.